This video is from GATE 1992 EC. So it says that source encoding in a data communication system is done in order to. So it is talking about source encoding. So there are basically two types of encoding: source encoding and channel encoding. So there are basically two types of encoding: source encoding and channel encoding. So in source encoding, what we do is we remove redundant data. So redundant data is removed. Removal of redundant data. In source encoding, redundant data is removed. Redundant data is removed. So data is compressed in source encoding. In channel encoding, extra bits are added as parity bits. In channel encoding, extra bits are added. These extra bits are parity bits. So in source encoding, the data is compressed actually. Compression of data. Because redundant data is removed. Whereas in channel encoding, extra bits called as parity bits are added. So source encoding is compression of data. And channel encoding makes error correction is possible. So error correction is possible here. Error correction is possible in channel encoding. In channel encoding, error correction is possible. So channel encoding is basically used when we have to transmit data over a noisy channel, because noisy channel will corrupt the data, and using error correction we can get the correct original data. So channel encoding is used when we have to transmit data over a noisy channel, because a noisy channel will introduce some errors, and using error correction we can recover the original data. And source encoding, the redundant data is removed. So the correct option is option A. The source encoding enhances information transmission because the redundant data is removed, so data is compressed, so it can be transmitted fastly. Whereas channel encoding is mostly used for error correction on a noisy channel. Thank you.